so we can get some apple trees planted. Besides that, trying to eat it at the same time. So you cut out wedges. There's a seed. Whoop, there's another one. Look at that. See how this one's split? It's like it's starting to germinate already inside the apple. What do you do after you get your seeds? When you harvest them, take some potting soil. Put your potting soil in a container like such as this. This is an old mushroom container that we bought mushrooms in. Filled it up with potting mix. Moisten the potting mix. Taking a pencil, poking a hole. Take your apple seed.
How deep is the hole?
Oh, it's probably a little deeper than it needs to be.
It should be like an inch, right?
Yeah, inch, half inch. A lot of seeds only go down a quarter inch. So you plant your apple seed in there, then you mix up the potting soil, and now there's an apple seed in there. So there's 1, 2, 3. I think I have like 25 little apple trees planted in here. And then again,
enjoy your apple.
Then you want to enjoy your apple, so you cut out. You want to get rid of your little core piece like that, hard, and your apple's ready to eat. And there's usually about 5 seeds an apple, give or take.
How often do you water this one so it will grow?
Make sure it stays moist but not wet.
Moist.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it moist.
Keep it moist.